Imagine going to bed the night before with less than 1,000 subscribers and waking up to over 10,000 subscribers overnight. Yes, you can say that's exactly what happened to this particular channel. Or you can just as easily say 1 million subscribers in less than 7 months. Now, despite the fact that this channel was created less than 1 year ago, they have been able to gather over 1 million subscribers, amassing over 500 million views within 7 months. And if you just copy the channel link and go over to Social Blade just to check this channel's potential earnings, it's very clear they make between $60,000 to $1.1 million every single year. Now, the real money they make is usually within the center of this amount, so it's fair to say that this channel makes over $400,000 every single year just from doing this. And you know why? Okay, stop thinking, I'll tell you. Now, they're able to achieve this because they tap deep into the root of human emotions. Emotions make you feel hungry, they make you sleep, they make you fight, and they can even make you love someone. Now, they use cats who are already so many people's weak spot, and they don't just stop there. They go ahead to use these videos to tell emotionally captivating and relatable stories that you and I can easily connect to. And that is the simple reason why these kind of videos go viral and are so addictive, and probably the same reason why you're still watching this video right now. But this niche is still very fresh, as not many creators see this potential and are tapping in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can easily create this kind of videos. And not just that, I'm also going to be showing you how you can easily stand out from the competition, such that even when this particular cat niche gets too saturated, you can easily apply the steps in this video on any animal of your choosing, be it a raccoon, chameleon, dogs, or even spiders. Damn, why do you have to be so cute? And without wasting time, let's get started. At this point, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. At this point, you want to head over to Google and head over to ChatGPT and paste in this particular prompt you're seeing on screen. Now, the prompt is basically asking ChatGPT to write a full and complete cat story for us with specific instructions. And don't worry, at some point I'm going to read out the story, at least some part of it, so we can all follow along. And once again, as you can see, ChatGPT is slicing through our requests and is writing the complete story. I'm going to be leaving the complete prompt for you guys in the description section, so feel free to go down there, copy it, and use it as you please in your own videos. And now the complete story is ready. And what the prompt was basically asking ChatGPT to do was to write a story about a cute orange fluffy cat and his dad who live together under struggling conditions. And the prompt also went further to ask ChatGPT to explain how the dad was struggling to take care of his son alone. And there are also other details you're going to see when you copy the prompt for yourself in the description below. And without wasting much time, let's head over to the next very crucial step in this process. Now, still on ChatGPT, this step is very simple and straight to the point. We're going to be asking ChatGPT to easily categorize the above written story into 7 different scenes with a detailed description of each scene. Now, you must know that converting it into 7 different scenes is not mandatory. In your own case, you can easily decide that 5 different scenes or 10 different scenes will just be perfect for your story, and that is fine, depending on how well they're able to captivate the essence of your story. And again, as you can see, the scenes are being generated easily. Now, just to go over the scenes, we have the morning routine scene, the hard working and sacrifice scene, the evening studies scene, we have the fight scene, and we have the tragic accident scene, the promise at the grave, and the graduation. But just to add some form of flair to our story, I'm going to add 2 or 3 other scenes just to add more life and further enrich our story. And that's all that's required for this particular step. At this point, you want to head over to Google and type in Copilot and click on the first website that pops up, which says copilot.microsoft.com. And then you want to click on the image creator, and it should simply take you to this page where you see Copilot/designer. At this point, what you want to do is go over to ChatGPT and easily copy the prompt that describes each scene and come over to Copilot, paste it, and hit create. From my experience, Copilot works best when the prompt is not too lengthy. Okay, let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to try to generate one of the images for one of the scenes. And as you can see, I did not use the exact prompt from ChatGPT. Instead, I modified the prompt into making it a lot shorter and more precise for the AI model to understand and give me a detailed output. And what I said was, a big fluffy grey cat in dad clothes sees an orange small cat and a black cat fighting across the street. And as you can see, the images are perfect. So I'm just going to select one of them and save it to my device. And so as not to waste your time, I'm going to give you guys a 5 seconds montage on the rest of this step. And there you have it, guys. At this point, you want to head over to Google and type in Canva. Click on the first website that says canva.com. After the website has finished loading up, on the Canva search bar, type in logo and click on the Canva template instead. And when the interface is fully loaded, now you want to navigate to uploads and upload all the images for each scene created by designer. And now you want to wait a little for all the images to be loaded up. At this point, I'm just going to create one image just to show you guys how it's done, so as not to take too much of your time. Now the first thing you want to do is drag and place the first image into the on-screen page and make sure it fits properly into dimensions. Head over to Elements and you want to insert a rectangle with rounded edges. Now you want to adequately adjust this so as to fit in properly with the image on screen. And you want to head over to the color section and play around with the colors until you find what works best for you. Now head over to the text section in the left menu and click on add a heading. And now this point is very crucial because you want to come up with a suitable caption that is very sure to grab the attention of your viewers and keep them hooked on your video. And after all is done, check if everything is to your liking, and then you want to click on the share button, download, and select PNG option and download again, and the image will be easily downloaded into your system. And we're going to do this exact same step for the remaining images. And at this point, I'm going to speed things up. Now the reason why we use Canva for the caption is simply because for some reason the images we created from Copilot Designer will just not display inside of the CapCut app. And secondly, it's a lot easier and faster for editing these images inside of Canva. And with that being said, let's head over to the next step. Now for this step, you want to head over to YouTube and type in Unstoppable Cat into the search bar, and this video with this particular image will pop up on screen. And stop worrying about copyright strikes because the creator of this particular soundtrack has recently sold out the rights to this track. Now head over to share and copy the channel link. Now you want to go back to Google and type in y2mate.com, and when the site is open, paste in the link and select the MP3 option and click on download, and it should easily be saved into your desktop for the next process. Kids bedtime stories are currently blowing up on YouTube, and smart creators who have seen this opportunity are getting an average of 300,000 views per month creating simple bedtime stories, and this can just as easily convert to $10,000 to $20,000 every single month. In this complete video, I'll walk you step by step on how you can create this kind of videos easily and earn an extra 10K on passive income, so feel free to check it out. Head over to CapCut on Chrome and select aspect ratio 9:16. And by now you must have already imported all your files, including your BGM, into CapCut. Now you want to drag and drop your BGM into the timeline. After adjusting your audio, you want to choose and apply the beat detection on your BGM. And as you can see, it has accurately detected out the exact sections of the beats in our BGM. And the next thing you want to do is drag and drop your images into your timeline above the BGM and adjust the images to fit into the beat breaks adequately. And then you just want to rinse and repeat this process for all the remaining images. And after all this is done, you want to proceed to trim your audio to fit precisely with your clips. And now you want to select a good transition to bring your videos to life. And for me, I chose the pull-out transition, not that kind of pull-out. And you want to repeat this same step for other clips. Head over to the background section and toggle over the oil icon and select a fitting background ideal for your videos. And you want to just simply apply this throughout the rest of the images. Head over to the music, fade out duration, and place it at 2 seconds or more. Now go to export, download, and you can choose to rename the file to whatever you desire. And now click on export, and the file would be downloaded into your system. And this is the perfect end result of our hard work. And guys, don't forget to leave us a like and drop your comments below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.